Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow leafy greens indoors. First, find a good spot for your plants. A south-facing window is ideal, or you can use LED grow lights for consistent illumination. Next, pick containers that have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Finally, fill your chosen pots with a premium potting mix that provides essential nutrients and good aeration for your greens to thrive. This initial setup is crucial for a successful indoor garden. Once your setup is ready, it's time to plant. Follow the specific instructions on your seed packets for depth and spacing. For seedlings, gently transplant them into your prepared containers. Watering is key. Aim for consistently moist soil, but avoid making it soggy. Check the soil's moisture level daily by feeling the top inch. This helps ensure your leafy greens get the right amount of hydration without root rot, promoting strong, healthy growth. Light is vital for photosynthesis. Ensure your greens receive 12 to 16 hours of light each day. If natural light is insufficient, supplement with LED grow lights. For nutrients, feed your plants every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's dilution instructions. Also, try to keep your indoor environment stable, with temperatures ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. These conditions support robust leaf development. Harvesting your leafy greens is simple. Just snip the outer leaves as they mature, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This method provides a continuous supply. Regularly check your plants for any signs of pests or diseases and address them quickly to keep your garden healthy. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for your fresh harvest, as well as other deals. Enjoy the fresh, homegrown taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.